have this crazy wooded area behind my fence. You probably have seen the other portions of my videos, which is everything is perfectly manicured. The grass is cut to 3 inches. Mr. Lymow runs every day. But behind the fence, I have a bunch of leaves, twigs, branches, brush. I mean, there's wood chip, you name it back here, and it's a disaster. My last mower, I would typically just dump all the clippings from whether I had leaf cleanup, all the grass itself. Yeah, for all intents and purposes, this is my landfill. I mean, granted, I'm trying to compost and build things up organically, but at the same time, it's been a place for the last 5 years since I've been here that is entirely for dumping things I don't need for my yard. I've got tree stumps, old Christmas trees, all the branches, and all these trees back here continually fall down. They hit one another and they'll just be kind of scattered all about. Speaking of one, got a whole bunch here right now, so there you go, just for instance. But yeah, I'm gonna run this Lymow through a couple of the zones and then see what it's able to handle. I'm gonna run it at turbo speed blades, probably 1.6 or 2 feet per second. And lastly, of course, the tightest pathing that I can manage. To be a tight zone back here, I'm guessing maybe 30 to 40 minutes to cut through here. I won't put you through the whole footage, but do a before and after to see just how it cleans up the leaves, what's really addressed, and is this a viable solution to avoid mulching in the fall? Truly hope it is. 6,000 RPM blades. And lastly, kind of a reflection, or at least my reaction on how did it perform, how did it handle everything. So let's go. cogida. Mulching. Very nice. So as you can see here, I have run the machine about, I want to say 4 times during this day, start to finish. I was like, all right, let me give it one. I didn't go back and check. I just let it go back to the dock, charge a bit, run it again. I wanted to see if everything goes as planned, would this be able to clean up, you know, a pretty ugly site behind my house. This has been cluttered with leaves. I mean, as you'll see in the other part of the video, I mean, it was a giant mess. Following it around, I was honestly in awe of just the level of sheer brute force, the level of capability this machine has, and just some of the grueling tests I put it through. I mean, you can see some of these big sticks that, I mean, it would get stuck once or twice per zone, so I have to kind of watch it, babysit it, you know, clear the error. I think only once I had like an actual like emergency brake where I had to press the red button and then I send it on its way. Sometimes the blades will get jammed, but the blades are looking fine. Maybe I'll change them after some point, but I knew I was going to beat the crap out of this thing, and it's my ultimate goal. So, I mean, I'm excited to really stand by its side and sing its praises. The Lymow 1 Plus has really lived up to the task. I mean, look at this back here. These leaves are gone. It just ate through them. I mean, I'm highly amazed at the capabilities and just, you know, all that it's done here. So, you know, it's really neat that you know, I can go here and at least provide you guys this feedback of, you know, everyone's talking about, oh, it can mulch and this and that. Like, I'm never going to take off the mulching cover. I'm just going to run it every day. I don't have a giant field that's like 5 acres. I need to just cut it in a sheer quantity. But, you know, this is truly amazing, I must say. So, getting that word out there. Again, how-to videos. If you guys have any questions on the entirety of my video, anything else you want me to see, this is one of the other, the most, I'd say, challenging tests I put it through. And you'll see some of the other videos I'm going to release shortly of the other tests I've done, whether it's under a tree, under these super rocky conditions for the zones I have. But this is all the evidence that you will need to at least explain and be sold on this model. As long as the software holds up and customer support's there, I think that's kind of the only 2 things that are either lagging behind or people have some issues with. So, how-to videos, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.